my research, generically speaking, involves researching how technology shapes relationships between people, institutions, and the development sector. And ICT4D is formed by a variety of disciplines, and my goal is essentially to steal different parts of different methodologies, to learn about my research context, to involve my participants in my research process, and eventually to contribute to software design that meets some of their needs and can respond to changing political, social, cultural contexts. So that's why I'm talking about my role as a bricoleuse, and I'm a woman, that's why I put bricoleuse. You might have heard of bricolage. But it's this idea of constructing a research methodology, follow your hunches, to respond to your participants' involvements and to generate theory. So in the diagram, I have participant observation data and audiovisual material that I've collected, and then I have the participants' perspectives that I'm also collecting through interviews and things like that. And then I have to kind of analyze it. And you can go back and collect more data based on your hunches, the patterns and things that you're learning along the way, and as you transform and begin to understand more about your research problems. So my problem with qualitative analysis software is that it's generally pretty linear in design. They've gotten a little bit better in the analysis stage of supporting supporting iterative and emergent methodologies, but it doesn't really account for the fact that as you start to learn, you might want to delve deeper into different ways of generating theory. Some of this is actually supported through the writing process, and then you need to go back and redo some of your analysis, or you might need to follow a particular pathway and collect new data, which would completely affect your coding strategy and the way that you're looking at your data in general. So what I would like to see is a way of tracking this evolution as you go through the research process. And if you're saying that, oh, this doesn't really apply to me, like, you're probably lying to yourself. A lot of researchers adapt their analysis to fit their data sets and things like that. And I think a way to create mappings between the tools that we use and to track our evolution as we're going through kind of like a versioning control, how we're going through analysis would be great.